Hi, I'm Steinjager Annie, and today we're installing Steinjager's Anti-Flutter hood latch kit. So I just taped this so that when you're working with this, you don't scratch your body, you don't scratch any decal you might have on the outside, and you just protect them. Now I'm going to use the vice grips to clamp either side of the top pin. I'm going to rotate them in opposite directions just to shear the pin off. You may have to reposition it if it doesn't shear right away, but you'll hear a snap. Open the hood latch and pull the pin out, and then you're going to repeat on the bottom pin. So again, clamp each side of the bottom pin with the vice grips. The pin will remove, and like me, you could just get rid of the latch. So now we're drilling through the stock with a 1/2 inch drill bit. This is my coworker Luke. You want to be careful you're not too close to the edge. So the two spacers I'm putting in, both of them are going to be used for the bottom. You thread the bolt through from the front to the back and make sure you go through the heim joint. And then hand twist the lock nut, and then with the 9/16 you want to make it pretty secure. You want the lock nut to be up against the side. Now I'm just going to tape the latch just so that when we clamp it with pliers to drill through, it doesn't get all scratched up. So just like the bottom one that's hooked to the hood, this one you're just going to drill through again. Be really careful as you drill. You don't want to get too close to the side. And we're drilling with a 1/2 inch drill bit. There are no spaces on the top side. I'm just going to feed the bolt again through towards the back and then tighten with a socket and ratchet. Now I'm going to see if the latch fits as I go. So if it's too tight, spin it counterclockwise. Both rod ends are right hand, so they have to be adjusted separately. Spin the heim joint a little for adjustments. If it's too tight, spin it back once. Once you have a proper fit, you can adjust the two jam nuts with a 1/2 inch wrench on the middle and the 9/16 on the jam nut. And then facing the prongs down, you hook it into the latch, and your hood will be secure. You're good to go.